This is number 88, chapter 1. I'm going to do part A and part C. It deals with calculating, or rather doing simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division with reference to significant figures. And we have multiple steps in these calculations, so we have to keep track of the sig figs as we go through the calc. But we have to realize that we don't ever want to round any of these calculations until the very, very, very end. So 88A has 1.7 times 10 to the 6th, and that's being divided by 2.63 times 10 to the 5th, plus 7.33. So that is the calculation that we need to do. With normal mathematical operations, right, we always start with the parentheses first. And so if we do the division, we get a value of 6.464, and then we still have the plus 7.33. Now, if we look at this number, the 6.464, and we look at the division, the 1.7 has two significant figures, the 2.63 has three. So really this value should be 6.5, right, as opposed to 6.464. We do not round, guys, okay? So we want to keep that full value and wait till the very end. So if we add these up, we get 13.794. We're talking about addition now, and so we can only go to, as far as our sig figs, to the least accurate value. And so the 7.33 goes to the 100th place. The 6.464 technically only goes to the 10th place. So that means that that is really our uncertain digit, and our final value would be 13.8. Again, the 9 is then going to round up that uncertain digit. So that was part A. Part C is similar. We have, again, the parentheses. We have 943. We have that plus 45, and we subtract that from 9.9, and then we're multiplying by 8.1 times 10 to the 6th. So just like before, we'll do the parentheses first. And so if we do the addition and subtraction in the parentheses, we get 9,478.1. And then we're still doing this multiplication. Just like above, we have to mark where the sig fig should stop. We're not going to round. Remember, we wait to round till the very end, but that 8 is going to be our uncertain digit. So we just mark it to just, again, keep track. And so when we do the multiplication, we get a value of 7.677 times 10 to the 10th. We look at these two values. This has two sig figs, the 8.1. What we got from the parentheses technically should have 4 sig figs, and so that means that our uncertain digit is the 6 of the 7.667. And so that means then we would have a final answer of 7.7 times 10 to the 10th. Again, we're rounding up the 6 because of its adjacent digit is greater than 5.